Lately, I've been hearing a lot about a fruit tree named a loquat. It is also known as the Japanese or Chinese plum. I've heard others in South Carolina and Louisiana speak about how these trees grow prolifically in the wild in their areas. Are you familiar with loquat, and is it something found in Arkansas or Tennessee? And this is from Carrie from Marion, Arkansas. Okay. Walter, I'm actually familiar with loquat. It's actually, of course, a fruit tree.
Okay.
You know, it has edible fruit, you know, which is shaped like a pear.
Okay.
Most people grow it because it has beautiful leathery leaves, beautiful dark green color to those leaves that they actually use in flower arrangements, right? They can grow in this area, okay? But according to the Dr. Michael Durr, you should probably grow them zone 8 to 10. Okay. Further south,
That's right.
because that tree, of course, will produce more fruit
Yes.
as you get further south. It can produce fruit here. We're 7B, close to 8,
Yeah.
right? You may get some fruit, but not enough. And then our winter times might actually kill it or knock it back.
Okay.
So that's why I said probably best grown in zone 8 to 10.
Okay.
Right. But yeah, it's an edible fruit. People like the leaves used in flower arrangements. Easy to grow, don't have to fertilize it much. And they actually don't have many pest or, disease problems. Right. But yeah, I'm a little familiar with it.
Okay.
Because I went to school in Louisiana, so it grew a lot, in the southern parts of Louisiana.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So, a lot of people ate the fruit, of course, down in that area. I think Big Jim was one of the cultivars that they actually had down that way. But it's a beautiful tree.
But anything named Big Jim
Big Jim.
has to be good.
Yeah, it's got to be good, right?
Yeah, it's got to be good.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.